KeyDigital, the experts in digital audio-visual and control systems.
Welcome to the Compass Control Professional demonstration of our RS-232 and TCP/IP control modules for Philips Professional Display Solutions, PPDS. We've partnered with Philips and done a number of installations. They're perfect displays for bars and restaurants, concert venues, video walls in boardrooms and conference rooms, digital signage, and more. And in addition to the RS-232 and IP modules, we've also captured the IR remote control. So you really have your format of how you'd like to control your PPDS monitor by Compass Control Pro. And the module is written based on the SICP protocol, which from what I understand, Philips has recently released a firmware patch so that even more of the PPDS monitors across their lineup support the SICP protocol. So now that we're in, we're going to go ahead and demonstrate the volume control feature on the slider. Wonderful. We'll go ahead and pull it back down to 0, and we will switch inputs from HDMI 1 to 2. Okay, and now that the monitor is synced with HDMI 2, you can see that we can switch back to HDMI 1 from IP, or using IP control. And we'll once again raise the volume, where now we'll demonstrate for you the muting and unmute functions.
Variations of gray, so it'd be nice if I had something that kind of matched that, right?
And we can now turn off the display using the IP control commands.
Like the tour of the movie room.
Wonderful. Thank you very much for joining us. Make sure to reach out to Philips PPDS for information about their displays, and KeyDigital for information on Compass Control, AV over IP, and Pro AV solutions for your installations. Thank you.